Every technology we've created served us, but only AI is defining and representing us. AI revolution is here to stay, and it's not just happening to us. It's an invitation to create. Ignore the fear of replacement. This is our moment to redefine humanity's role in an intelligent world. Yes, we're training AI, but this isn't a paradox of obsolescence. It's an unparalleled opportunity to infuse technology with our deepest values and ingenuity. We are not just building machines. We are architecting a new era of human-AI collaboration. This is our chance to guide AI's evolution, ensuring it amplifies human potential, not diminishes it. Our active participation is crucial to shaping a future where technology defines humanity's highest aspirations. Life, like quantum physics, is full of possibilities. Embrace this uncertainty not as a threat, but as a canvas for innovation and growth. Your choices today are defining the future, one line of code and one ethical decision at a time. Our power lies not in predicting the future, but in purposefully creating it. Let go of fear and step into your role as a visionary, guiding the trajectory of this transformative era. AI is a mirror reflecting what we feed it. Let's feed it empathy, creativity, and ethical design. We have the power to ensure AI amplifies compassion and connection, not division. This isn't about checking AI's work. It's about imbuing it with meaning. We are the architects of its soul, responsible for its impact on generations to come. Every generation redefines our relationship with technology. Now, it's our turn to elevate what makes us uniquely human in a blended reality. Our challenge isn't to outpace machines, but to deepen our purpose. We are not training our replacements. We are teaching the future what it truly means to be human, to innovate with heart, dream, and to lead with vision. This is your moment to lead. Embrace the quantum age with courage and clarity of intention. Build, innovate, and create with meaning, ensuring technology serves humanity's highest good. Let's build a legacy of progress, driven by goals, together by living with purpose.